Hello, this is Elizabeth, your instructor, and I am here reviewing your Milestone 1, Task 2. And for this, you were asked to create a cover image for a travel book. So I think it's really fun that you are out kind of headed towards something, photographing something, but you found something else. It's like so fun when you're paying attention how much you can find out there to photograph. And I think a train is such a great representation of travel. So I'm really glad you stopped and photographed. So I just want to point out from your contact sheet some inconsistencies in your exposure. As you can see in these top images, the sky is a much lighter blue than the bottom images, and that's a matter of exposure. So it looks like here you had your shutter open for 1/160th of a second, and here you had it for 1/400th of a second. So that faster shutter let in less light, which was a better exposure than letting in more light and creating a brighter image. So I just want you to start being aware of that. But let's take a look and see what your final two images are. This is such a nice kind of view of the train and the sky. And here's a really cool vertical of the train as well with a really pretty shadow. I love this light, coming through here, really beautiful. So I think you did a great job with your two selections, as well as, other than some inconsistencies in exposure, I think you did a pretty good job with your pictures. In the future when you're shooting, you seem to be standing from a distance. Try to get a little closer also. Photograph some things close and photograph from low to the ground or higher up, whatever you can do to change perspective, because that's always really fun. But overall, I think you could submit this as is for your final milestone, so you could skip Milestone 1, Task 3. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.